Hello, today I want to show you how to fix this shift rod if it's falling off like this. And all you need is zip ties, 3 of them, and something you can cut the zip tie with. So first, you should tie it here. So this is for like the chain. This is going to be like a chain. Let's not make it too tight first. Okay. And then we tie another one inside of the first one we've tied. Okay. And then the last one, we tie this one at the third one. We go to the third one, and then together with the rod itself. Okay, done. It's not going anywhere. You see, wiggle it around, it's not going anywhere. Make sure it's tight, not too tight, because if not, there's no movement, you can't shift. Okay, this one should tie it in. Okay, so far so good, all good. It's not coming off, and we are left cutting it, the excess, the extra one. Okay, 1. Two. And okay, we are all done. So it's not going anywhere. All good. And it happens for me, the in front one also. So this one works for me by using zip ties. Has never fall off, and I think the back one should last for a very long time also. See ya. Thank you for watching, and ciao.